Hello, this is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV located in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new Forest River Rockwood Mini 2104s. Single slide out, small 2-axle travel trailer. The 2019 Rockwood Mini Lite 2104, single slide out. Awning topper over your slide, power tongue jack. 2 batteries up front, storage rack. Lights inside and outside. All 4 corner stabilizer jacks. Wide open storage area. With the magnetic clips. Storage compartment from under your dinette. .30 amp service. Your black tank flush, cable hookup, city water. You have a large ladder. Access to the roof, prep for a backup camera, outside shower, spare tire, 2104s Rockwood. It's got the rack on the front for outside grill, and a tray for prep. You have a hookup outside for a TV, frameless windows, outside speakers with a full power awning with LED lights. Your 3 aluminum steps all the way to the ground, give you a nice stable walking area. More storage area. Nice linoleum throughout. Large U-shaped dinette. The table is removable. With no pedestal, so it's a nice clean look with that moved. It also drops down and makes a bed. And you have good storage underneath. Nice storage beside the booth dinette. You can take the shelves out for hanging. Large wood panel refrigerator, freezer, storage alongside, again with hanging capabilities. Remove the shelves. Large oven and range. Your flat screen TV is on a swivel arm. Microwave, CD, AM, FM stereo, DVD player, stainless steel sink with cover. Recliner sofa. Does have removable tables. You can attach on the side there. Feet do kick out, very comfortable. Wardrobe on either side. This Murphy bed drops down and makes a bed. Basically, you drop the sofa, drop the Murphy bed above it. You still have space to get by the bed when it is down, so you can't leave it down all the time. We've got receptacles throughout, USB plugs, fantastic fans. It is a ducted AC. Bathroom, glass enclosed corner shower. Good storage in the bathroom as well. The box in the shower is your outside grill. This brand new 2019 Forest River Rockwood Mini 2104s, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Does have a dry weight of 4,757 pounds. Please give me, Scott Hudgins, a call today. Set up a time to come see it in person.